We are pleased to show you the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.